Hello, I am Corey Geiger, the lead economist for dairy with CoBank's Knowledge Exchange Division. Inflation has driven up the costs in many areas of our lives. The same is true on America's dairy farms. In the past 20 years, the cost to raise a dairy calf from birth to adult cow has climbed to over $2,000 per animal. The trouble is, these expenses haven't borne out in higher values. Sale prices have hovered between $1,300 to $1,600 for nearly a decade. To better manage on-farm heifer inventories and investment, dairy farmers have turned to using beef semen on a portion of their dairy herd. The change has been transformative. Beef semen sales have more than tripled, with dairy farmers purchasing the vast majority of those units. Their shift from dairy semen to beef semen has created an estimated 3 to 3.25 million beef on dairy crossed animals. Part 2 of this transformative shift to beef on dairy is the shrinking number of replacements expected to enter the milking herd. That 15% drop in heifer supply largely went unnoticed until dairy farmers went looking to buy now scarce replacements. As a result, prices have jumped to an 8-year high, with USDA data and auction market reports ranging from $1,900 to $2,800 per head. This situation could be the new norm for the next 2 to 3 years. The use of more gender-selected semen, less beef semen on dairy cows, and reduced dairy cow culling could eventually rebuild dairy replacement inventories. In the near term, however, dairy replacement numbers could limit the upside on expanding U.S. milk production. To learn more, read our report on CoBank.com.